You're watching World TV. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos. Click on the subscribe button and the bell beside it. These will notify you once we drop a new video. Thank you.
Lizzie Anjorin continues to host her online show, despite that her Facebook pages has been reported twice and disabled. In this episode, she discussed how hatred between celebrities and fans grows in a toxic manner. She encouraged fans to contribute positively to celebrities' conflict if necessary, boasting that she sells the most expensive gold accessories in the industry. She furiously sends sensitive messages to those sharing fake news, especially concerning celebrities.
How are you? I'm just laughing. Something is happening. I just have to laugh. You know, this life is funny. If some people can actually do it, if they have power to do it, do you know they can actually kill you if they can. Hey! If they can, if they have the power, if they have the access, if they have the opportunity, something happened. I will explain to you. It's not funny. It's not funny. But I need to tell you guys. But it's not funny. To be sincere, it's not funny. You see, one thing about me is that I will tell you the truth. Because it's only the truth that will set you free. I have my own child as well. And Emina Moshin learn every day. So, as a woman in the society, if I realize or see some things that, oh, my fellow ladies are going to the negative or to going, you know, like doom side, I will call you back and I will tell you the truth. I will let you realize the fact that, come, this is the truth and this is the bad side of it. Because right from childhood, the only thing that can help you as a woman, as a man, as a man, but as a woman, we have a lot of things on our shoulder. As a woman, we have a lot of things, a lot of challenges on our shoulder. So I always tell you guys, honore, igbore, honore, igbore. If I tell you what happened, you won't believe it. Do you know they actually do they reported it? Our Facebook, the main account. So I abandoned that one and I opened another. I have many Facebooks. Ṣé mo pé àwọn tó ń lo fake Facebook mi, wọ́n dẹ̀ report me original. No, I want to do a show supposed to be on Facebook and on Instagram. I just checked now and want to report wa again. So imagine any tó report èèyàn yìí tó bá ní opportunity láti pàdé ẹ, ó máa hug ẹ, but that person don't like you for reason best known to him or her. For you to have done that, but guess what? A message is a message. When Jesus Christ came then, when Anabu Sallallahu Wasallam, when he came, the great messenger, when he came, a lot of people don't listen to him. But behold, today we remember them, we love them, we feel like, oh, we wish we can see them now. But no one, bo. Ìgbà tí wọ́n preach fún wa yẹn, etí wa ti gan. Today's topic remains, what is today's topic? I said something about today's topic. Let me check, I'm coming. I want to talk about fans and celebrities. I want to talk about fans and celebrities. I want to talk about fans and celebrities. You see, there's something going on in the society because, oh, you know, everybody is a celebrity. You are a celebrity, I'm a celebrity. Everybody is a celebrity. Ẹlòmíì ládùúgbò ẹ̀ wọ́n mọ̀ bàjẹ́. Wàláì kí ta no mọ̀ jù láyé yìí o. Kí Buhari dé Oṣòdì wọ́n lè má mọ̀. Bó jẹ́ president tó, wọ́n lè má mọ̀. A dẹ̀ mọ̀ àwọn kan tó pa àwọn náà l'Oṣòdì. Àdúgbò mi yìí, ẹlòmíì lè débẹ̀ kan má mọ̀. A dẹ̀ mọ̀ àwọn ẹlòmíì tó jẹ́ pé wọ́n ṣe kíni wọ́n mọ̀ wọ́n pa. So people are just being funny. Can you imagine? A fẹ́ ṣe show. Ọ̀rọ̀ tí mo fẹ́ sọ lẹ́ni nìyẹn, máa sọ fún yín. Ọ̀rọ̀ tá fẹ́ sọ lẹ́ni máa sọ fún yín. Ọ̀rọ̀ tá fẹ́ sọ lẹ́ni, nǹkan tí mo fẹ́ sọ fún yín lẹ́ni. Òun ni wípé, as a fan, who is your favorite? Do you know your favorite? Ṣó mọ̀ délédélé? Àbọ̀kọ̀ ń tẹ̀lé nítorí páyé ẹ̀ bàjẹ́. O prefer báyé ẹ̀ ṣe bàjẹ́ and o hate èèyàn táyé ẹ̀ dá. Because there's nothing like fan. It's just like love. There's nothing like love. You can only have feelings for people. You can only have feelings. Feelings kò kí ń ṣá, love máa ń ṣá. Love is timing. You can love someone in the morning and in the afternoon you feel like, oh, I don't love this person anymore. But feelings, when you have feelings for someone, it will always drag you back. Hello, sir. Èmi ni mo sọ̀rọ̀, sir. Sir? Ta nìyẹn? Ring. Okay, sir. Ṣé ọ̀nà yín ti jìnnà ni? Okay, sir. Màá send ẹ̀ sí yín sí, sir. Nǹkan kan ṣẹlẹ̀ ni, màá gist yín later. Màá gist yín. Mo wọ online, a lè wọ Facebook mọ́. What the new one and the old one? Tí àwọn yẹn bá ní access account balance èèyàn, ọ̀tán bá ní access life èèyàn ńkọ́? All right, sir. Màá send ẹ̀ sí yín, sir. Okay, sir. Love you, bye. Sorry, oh. Oh, funny. Me, I will tell you the truth, oh. Màá sọ òótọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ fún yín. Don't be a fantastic Abirun fan. Do never be a fantastic Abirun. This is 2020. 2021, you must be a change person. You must make it by force, by fire. Because I want to make it by force, by fire. Mi ira Àríkẹ́.
Mo wá ń bí.
Àríkẹ́ ṣé kò fọ́ ni?
Ó fọ́ ni. Ibi mo lẹ́gbò sí ni.
O lẹ́gò kẹ̀.
Lẹ́gbò sí.
Mi rí kíní tí bàbá ní kí n wá o. Okay. Mọ́lẹ̀ ayọ̀ ni.
Pé àwọn èèyàn ẹni ibi tí ń jẹ bí ọmọ ni wọ́n.
I'm coming, guys. I'm coming, guys. I'm going to tell you something about fans. Because mẹ́wàá ń ṣẹlẹ̀. Mẹ́wàá ó ń ṣẹlẹ̀. Èmi tí àwọn àgbàlagbà ò bá lè sọ̀rọ̀, èmi á sọ̀rọ̀. Màá jẹ́ kẹ́ mọ̀ òtítọ́ ọ̀rọ̀. So this is 2020. So far so good. If they are to ask you, what is your achievement this 2020? You say, oh, nothing much. Because of coronavirus, because of NSAS, because of this. Don't forget this year. As terrible, as evil, as stupid as this 2020 is. Year yìí lọ́pọ̀lọpọ̀ kọ́lé, lẹ́lòmíì kọ́lé. Year yìí lẹ́lòmíì ra mọ́tò. Year yìí lẹ́lòmíì ṣoríire. Am I communicating? Guys, let me know if I'm communicating. Let me know if I'm communicating, please. Let me know, guys. Year tá ṣe sọ pé ó worst tó yìí ní ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ èèyàn ló ṣoríire jù. Because I will make it. Mo ti make it, mo dẹ̀ máa make it ní 2021. Number one, of course, we are all used to hate speech on social media. We are used to so many things. But àwọn ogogo ló ń dá wàhálà lẹ̀. Ẹ̀yin níbi tẹ́ pé ra yín ní fans. Ẹ̀yin lè ń dájà lẹ̀. And nothing like fans. Nothing like fans. When you say, oh, I'm a fan of Lagbaja, it means you like that person. You want to become that person, or you want your child to become that person, or there's something special about that person you appreciate. Sorry, this program is going to be English and Yoruba, so I'm so sorry, guys. I am so sorry. So, pẹ̀lú Hausa àti Igbo. So this program is going to be Yoruba and English. I'm so sorry, guys. So, kí ni wọ́n pè ní 8 àbí kí la máa pè? Okay, some people will say, oh, I'm not your fan. Yes, everybody cannot like you. Even Jesus, even the great messenger, sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Everybody, you see, if everybody likes you, it means you are not doing great. You are not doing well. If you are doing well, not everybody that will like you. Some people won't like you because you are so unique and things you are doing is so unique. But there's something to be meaning recently, which I want you to ban wo show yi. Stop it if you want to make it in life. And if you want your child to make it in life, you must stop it today. If I come online to tell you anything, I want you to know that èmi kọ́ ni mò ń sọ̀rọ̀. èmi kọ́ ni mò ń sọ̀rọ̀ tó bá fẹ́ ṣoríire tó fẹ́ jẹyàn tó fẹ́ ní àlùbáríkà you must stop something. Stop comparing two artists together. Okay, let's take for instance. They were talking about Davido and Ayo, kí lorúkọ ẹ̀, Wizkid. And I feel like, oh, I hate Wizkid, I like Davido. What if tọmọ tèmi bá bí àbọ̀mọ tí mo ti bí ògo tí Wizkid gbé ló gbé? Ṣé mọ̀ pé ìgbà tọmọ tèmi náà bá dàgbà kí ló máa ṣẹlẹ̀ sí? Stop hating people and stop comparison. Stop it. You are building walls. And this your comparison, this your evil, this your hatred is the main reason some people are not buying Ashodun today. Is the reason behind some people's being homeless today. Your hate. If you hate someone, that is your own cup of tea. What does your hate got to do with someone's account balance at someone's life? Or ìfẹ́ tí Ọlọ́run ní sẹ́ni yẹn? Are you not ashamed of yourself? You said you hate someone and you cannot create irun orí o de lo hate here. Before you hate okay, let me tell you something. You see, there's something they call characteristics. You have to change your characteristics if you want to make it in life. Characteristics of great people. Owa. Characteristics of werieda. Owa. Characteristics of failed people. Owa. Let me tell you characteristics of great people. They don't hate. They mind their business. Have you ever seen where Dangote to call on the Insta blog? Abijis lover, have you got I hate so person? Ṣé Dangote characteristics olóríire nìyẹn. Characteristics olórí burúkú ló máa ní I like Lizzy, I hate Àríkẹ́. Ṣé o lè dá Àríkẹ́? O mọ̀ bóyá ìṣẹ̀dá ẹ ìjẹ́ èèyàn ẹ ọwọ́ Àríkẹ́ ló wà. Ṣé o mọ̀? I am not coming here today to smile with you. Ẹ mọ̀ pé lérè pa ni mí. I play a lot. But today I'm not here to play with you. I'm here to tell you the bitter truth. We're going to 2021. Sorry. Mbo. I don't go. Àríkẹ́ wà okokoro.
Ṣé máa jẹ pọ̀pọ̀?
Mi jẹ puff inú ń bí mi. Hey, ẹ̀gbọ́n mi ló ń pè. A pè wọ́n later. Ìtorí ẹ̀ mo ṣe fẹ́ lo fóònù yìí tí mi ṣe fẹ́ lo fóònù tèmi. I will smile for you. But because I want you to be great in life, because I want to be great and I want my children to be great too, I have to give you a secret to life. Why would you go on social media? Artist méjì ń jà báwo ló ṣe kàn yálà yá ẹ.
Kí ló kàn ẹ́?
Àríkẹ́ ní kí ló kàn yín? Kí ló kàn ẹ́? Artist méjì ń jà báwo ló ṣe kàn yálà yá ẹ? Must you comment? Before you leave your terrible comment, ṣó ti jẹun? Ṣó ti tọ́jú àwọn òbí ẹ? Are you okay? Ibo ló ń gbé? Ṣó ti sanwó lé? Ṣó ní mọ́tò lẹ́sẹ̀? Ṣó bá wọn meet up pẹ̀lú latest phone tó ń lò? I want to know now because I mind my business me. Do you know why I mind my business? I think about my life 24/7. Because you are poor mentally does not mean pé kó tún fa ogun kún ogun. You see, being an artist in life, being a celebrity, a star, is written from above. I don't choose this way. I don't plan to be like this. My mother, my father, they don't even àwọn tí ẹ ronú lọ bẹ̀. While I was growing, oh Ọlọ́run. Okay, no problem. While I was growing up, kò sí ìyá mi àti bàbá mi tó rò pé mo máa jẹ́ nǹkan kan láyé yìí. So, ayé tí mò ń gbé yìí Ọlọ́run ló dá mi bẹ́ẹ̀. So now bí mo ṣe ń gbé ayé mi, you now said, or you now say, or you now think, or nínú ìgbésí ayé ẹ, I don't like her. I don't like you too. I don't know you. Artist méjì ń jà. Tí artist méjì bá ń jà, ó lè jókòó ló fàjà. Ó lè jówó ló fàjà. ó lè jẹ́ anything ló fàjà, ó lè jẹ́ misconception, misunderstanding ló fa ìjà. Ìwọ ó wá gbé sórí, ó wá ń kọ pé I like kíní kan, I'm team lágbájá, I hate so person. Ew, ogun tó gbé kò sẹ́ni tó lè wẹ̀ lọ gbà bẹ́ẹ̀. Ogun tó gbé sí orí ara ẹ kò sí ẹ̀dá tó lè wẹ̀. Can I tell you something? Tó bá ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀, oh my God, nǹkan tí mi ṣe fẹ́ lo fóònù yìí rè. Tó bá ń ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn, ṣé o mọ̀ pé wọ́n máa sọ pé fan, you are a fantastic abirùn. Fantastic ọlọ́pọlọ bàjẹ́. Ṣé ọdún ló délẹ̀ yìí? Ṣé Lizzy Anjorin gbé chicken délé ẹ? Mercy gbé chicken délé ẹ? Ìyábọ̀ Òjó gbé chicken délé ẹ? Ta ló gbé chicken délé ẹ? Orí ẹ ti bàjẹ́ láti inú ọpọlọ jáde. Ìwọ játijàti. When two people are fighting, if you cannot contribute in the positive settings, keep quiet and go away. Lọ wá bí jókòó sí. Mo wà nínú ilé mi. Mo wà lábẹ́ ọkọ mi. Ó ń fáyà mi 247. O tí mọ̀ tó fẹ́ jẹ. Àwọn ọmọ tó wà lọ́wọ́ ẹ, o tí rí bàbá wọn pè. Bàbá ẹ, o tí gbóhùn ẹ̀ fógún ọdún bí tèmi báyìí. Ìyá ẹ, ó ti kú jùnù bí ìyá tèmi báyìí. And you are there 18. Ọpọlọ ẹ láti inú ló ti bàjẹ́ sí òde, ó wá dàlú sí òkè ọ̀run. You are a fool.
Ọpọlọ jollof rice, ọpọlọ òsàlẹ̀ jollof rice.
You are a fool. Ẹ̀yin gangan lẹ ń da yẹ́rú. Artist méjì lè jà. Èmi àti Ìyábọ̀ Òjó ti jà rí. And today, ọ̀rẹ́ ni wá. Ọlọ́run ló ní kí social media má ti jáde. Because lẹ́ni àbá má lè sọ̀rọ̀ mọ́. Bẹ́ẹ̀ bá ṣe kíkàbọ̀, ẹ kíkàbọ̀ beyond control. Ẹ kíkàbọ̀ beyond control. Ẹ kíkàbọ̀ beyond control. Èèyàn méjì ọkọ àti ìyàwó ń jà, ìyá àtọmọ ń jà, èmi àtàríkẹ́ ń jà, èmi àti dọ́tà mi ń jà tí màá gba sí blocking for 2 weeks. See man, I don't feel like talking to you. I dey text me, mommy sorry, mo fẹ́ bẹ sọ̀rọ̀ time yẹn. So kí ni titi yín? Èèyàn méjì ń ṣe oríire. Ẹlẹ́dàá mi má jẹ́ n sìn wọ́n wáyé.
Ẹlẹ́dàá mi má jẹ́ sìn wọ́n.
Ẹlẹ́dàá mi má jẹ́ n sìn wọ́n wáyé.
Ẹlẹ́dàá mi má jẹ́ sìn wọ́n.
2020 o gbọ́dọ̀ kó orí burúkú rẹ lọ.
2020.
O gbọ́dọ̀ bá mi wọ 2021.
O gbọ́dọ̀ bá mi wọ 2021.
Orí burúkú ni kí olóríire méjì máa jà. Ìwọ tẹ́ pé rawa báńdì ló fi mú fóònù ẹ. O wá ń dá sí, o wá ní, do you know what it means? Ṣé mo nǹkan tí mo hate láyé yìí? If you want to hate me, don't say it to my face. I know you don't like me. I trust nobody. Because nígbà tí mo ti ń kiri ọjà, mama mi ma ní close your eyes. I will do my eyes like this. My mommy will tell you, who do you see? Ma ní nobody ma. My mom say, open it. I'm okay, nobody. So right from baby, I knew then that you don't love me. You can only love my way or admire my way or how I dress, or how I talk, how I do my whatever. But you don't love me. Because tọ́lọ́run bá kórè dà sílẹ̀ ńsìn, bìm tọ́lọ́run bá ní, ó yá, ṣebí wọ lọ́rẹ́ Lizzy. Mo fẹ́ fún yín ní G-Wagon, àbí mo fẹ́ fún yín Bentley. Ṣó máa ní kọ́lọ́run fún mi? Ṣó máa ní kọ́lọ́run fún mi? O lè ní kọ́lọ́run fún mi. So you are not my fan. You don't love me. You only admire me. Tí artist méjì bá ń jà, fi wọ́n sílẹ̀. Tí artist mẹ́rin bá ń jà, fi wọ́n sílẹ̀. Ẹ má sọ ọ̀rọ̀ tí ìkan máa fi sun ẹkún. Ẹ má sọ ọ̀rọ̀ tí ìkan máa dìmú tó máa wá dínà orí ayọ̀ mú àwọn èèyàn míì tí oore wọn wà lọ́wọ́ ẹni tẹ́ jẹ́ kó sunkún yẹn. Look at last year, upper year. Okay, ẹ jẹ́ kí n sọ 2017, 2018, 2019 last year. Èmi personally mo fún yàn lọ́kadà 10. Mo fún yàn deep freezer 10. Mo dẹ̀ empower èèyàn 10 pẹ̀lú 200,000 naira. Ṣé mo sọ síta? Yìí gbogbo la mọ̀ pé coronavirus wà. Even tó bá fẹ́ ṣe wá kọ́ rántí pé private account tó wá bú mi ẹni ló máa wà nídìí ẹ̀. O jẹ́ kí ẹni yẹn rírí ayọ̀ ẹ̀ gbà. Ìwọ dẹ̀ fẹ́ rírí ayọ̀ gbà. Ta ló fẹ́ fún ẹ? Ta ló fẹ́ fún ẹ ní rírí ayọ̀? I don't know. Do you know in abroad, government do give them money, government help them, government do help them, they give them money. Awa neyon. We have nobody. We have nobody except Almighty Allah. And my mother once told me, you can never become anything except through your fellow human being. Òun ni wọ́n pè ló máa jẹ̀yàn ni, ó máa mọ̀yàn. Tó o bá ti mọ̀yàn ò lè jẹ̀yàn. Tó o bá ti mọ̀yàn ò lè jẹ̀yàn. Wá máa. Okay now, Fúnkẹ́ Akíndélé, ó ṣọmọ Ghetto the Saga. Tó bá jẹ́ pé fan ni ẹ́, lọ síbi tán ti ń wo fíìmù ẹ̀ kó lọ wò. Nǹkan tó mú ẹ jẹ́ fan nìyẹn. Go there, go and support her. Ìyábọ̀ Òjó wà Lekki phase 1, ó ń tàbùlà. Àbùlà mélòó ló ti order lẹ́ni? And you are calling yourself a fan. Mẹ́sẹ̀ ẹgbẹ́ wà ṣọ́ọ̀bù ẹ̀, aṣọ mélòó ló ti bára? Lizzy Anjorin lélẹ̀ aṣọ mélòó ló ti order? Ṣó ti order sóyòyò? Ó ti ralẹ̀, ó ti ralé, ó ti ra mọ́tò. So fan ta ló jẹ́? If you are my fan, bá mi ra nǹkan, ràn mí lọ́wọ́ jẹ́ kí n ga. Nítorí pé bẹ́ẹ̀ mi ṣe ń ga, èmi náà ní àwọn kan tí mo dì mẹ́rù tí mo ń gbé lọ sókè. And my next adimari could be you. Could be your family. Could be anybody. So you are not saying I'm TikTok. Go and ask my close followers. Àwọn ọmọ tó ń rí mi lójú méjèèjì. If I see your comments under any celebrity tó wá lọ pé Lizzy tí n bá mú ẹ̀wọ̀n ló ń lọ. Yes, èèyàn kan sọ pé Olúwa mi ẹ̀rọ. Yes, ó ń bí mi nínú. You are nobody. You are nobody. You are nobody like me because I'm nobody too. How can I wake up and say I prefer $10 than Dangote? Ṣé mo ya wèrè ni? Ṣé mo ya wèrè ni? How can I prefer $10 than Dangote? I love both of them. I love Alakija. I love Oprah. Tó bá ti ń ṣe dáadáa, I love you because I know one day I will be there. I will be there, inshallah. I will be great. My children will be great. So why would I wake up with my phone and be saying I'm Team Lagbaja? I hate so person. Okay, now you guys will be talking about àwọn kan jowó ara wọn, àwọn olóń jowó ara wọn. Since you don't know story, I will tell you story today. I will tell you story. Ọ̀rọ̀ lẹ fẹ́ gbọ́, ọmọ àtìrò tó rán wọn bá tẹsẹ̀ kan, ọ̀rọ̀ lẹ fẹ́ gbọ́. I will tell you story today. Story tell Mori. Nobody is being envious or being jealous of anybody. The only problem táwọn èèyàn wá ní pé wọ́n ní ìkà. And any artist tó bá ní ìkà wọ́n bímọ ni. Nítorí pé ọ̀tọ̀ọ̀tọ̀ ni Ọlọ́run dá wa. Ìkà lọ́pọ̀lọpọ̀. Okay, let me tell you a story. Nígbà tí mo join film industry l'Abẹ́òkúta. Mọ́tò tí mo ń lò, mọ́tò kẹ̀kẹ́lú jẹ́ ni o, ẹ ti ẹ̀rọ mi sí ni o. But guess what? It was two. Sorry o. Hello sir. Yes there. Okay sir, ẹ lè ní kó wá gbà sir. But mo sì lè lò náà ní ẹjọ́, ẹ má bínú ẹjọ́ sir. Yes sir. Love you, bye sir. Nígbà tí mo dé Abẹ́òkúta, èèyàn méjì péré ló ń lo mọ́tò. Ọmọṣẹ́ ni mí, mo gbé mọ́tò wọ industry ni. Bóyá èèyàn méjì èèyàn mẹ́ta ṣá, ẹ lọ bèrè l'Abẹ́òkúta.
Èèyàn méjì ni.
Ẹ lọ bèrè pé Lizzy Anjorin ó tún parọ́. Ẹ lọ nígbà tí mo join film industry l'Abẹ́òkúta. Àti ọ̀gá látorí ọ̀gá dórí ọmọṣẹ́, èèyàn méjì o mẹ́ta péré ni mo tó ń lo mọ́tò which is Uncle Ọláìyá Igwe, Uncle Di Méjì àti bóyá Mr. Latin àbí. Mo ṣá mọ̀ pé kò ju ọ̀gá méjì sí mẹ́ta lọ, kò tí ì sọ ọmọṣẹ́, kò tí ì sí kankan. Mo gbé ẹtì ẹ̀rọ mi sí mi wọ industry. Lọ́jọ́ tèní, ṣé mo èèyàn tó ti ń lo mọ́tò? Ẹ jẹ́ ká gbé yẹn tì sẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ kan. Tó bá sọ̀rọ̀ pé èèyàn ń lo gold, pé èèyàn ń lo gold nígbà tí mo wọ industry, kì í ṣe pé mo lo gold nìkan, mo ń ta gold. Mo tún fúnyàn. Ẹjọ́ ẹ bá mi bèrè, ẹ bá mi lọ wá ìdí pé artist mélòó ló ń lo gold nígbà yẹn. ká má ti sọ pé wọ́n ta gold tó bá ń sọ̀rọ̀ àwọn padlock yálà yá ọrùn wa ilẹ̀ ti máa rí bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe ń rí kọ́kọ́rọ́ lẹ máa rí padlock lẹ máa róríṣiríṣi gold lára mi.
ọba tó dàbí kìnìún gbà kan.
ọmọ bí oníkìnìún go and ask about me. So tó bá ń lo gold ní industry lẹ́nìí òun copy Lizzy ni ó wá copy mi o inú tèmi ń dùn nítorí pé èèyàn kan ló máa jẹ́ pace setter ẹni ìṣíwájú là ń pè wọ́n ẹ jẹ́ ká gbé yẹn tìṣẹ́gbẹ́ kan ta ló kọ́kọ́ taṣọ mo máa ṣọ́ọ̀kì yín lẹ́nìí àwa méjìlá kọ́kọ́ bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní ta cream ní history film industry èmi àti Susan Maxwell Lizzy Anjorin and Susan Maxwell la kọ́kọ́ bẹ̀rẹ̀ pé èèyàn kọ́kọ́ ń ta cream nínú film industry àwa méjì yẹn la kọ́kọ́ bẹ̀rẹ̀ cream títà ẹ lọ bèrè lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ Susan Maxwell ẹ máa dé o because when you go online for reason best known to you ẹ máa compare ẹni tó bá gbé tiẹ̀ síta lẹ máa mọ̀ màá tún wá bust ti bọ́bù ẹ lọ bèrè pé aago ọwọ́ aago wristwatch ta ló ń ta most expensive diamond wristwatch ní Nàìjíríà Lizzy Anjorin ní gbogbo ẹnu ni mo fi sọ bó o lè mọ̀
Nàìjíríà ló pé o.
ó lè mọ̀ tó bá wọ ṣọ́ọ̀bù mi wò kónkó ló báyìí ni but ló bèrè pé ta ló ń ta most expensive àbáyá Lizzy Anjorin ni ló bèrè pé most expensive àbáyá wàá rí àbáyá 5 million naira lọ́wọ́ mi tí mò ń tà go ask about me ló bèrè pé ta ló ń ta góòdì tó wọ́n jù góòdì pé èèyàn wọ góòdì kí mi ò ń báyàn ṣàmbásẹ́dọ̀ góòdì o èmi ò báwọn èèyàn polówó góòdì mò ń tà ní o mò ń tà kó dẹ́nu sọ pé òun ta nǹkan kì í ṣe ẹyọkan kì í ṣe márùn lóní. ta ni first landlady tẹ kọ́kọ́ ní tó jẹ́ landlady ní film industry. ẹ jẹ́ máa la pé obìnrin o actress o tó mi sọ àwọn àǹtí wa Bukira tó àwọn àǹtí wa mi sọ àwọn settings yẹn mo sọ àwọn set wa o ẹ jọ̀ọ́ bí mo ṣe wá ń ṣe nǹkan oríire yẹn ǹjẹ́ rí story mi ní YouTube àbí lọ́dọ̀ blogs àbí anywhere kán wá lọ máa fi mí kọ orúkọ mi compare àwọn ẹgbẹ́ mi láti lé wọn léré ṣé ẹ rírí tó bá rírí kó sọ o tó bá ti rí sọ pé Lizzy irọ́ ló pa mo rórúkọ ẹ̀ ń bì báyìí tó bá ti rí kí ni mo fẹ́ fàyọ ni wípé nígbà tó tún wá sọ pé òkè o kíníkan ṣẹlẹ̀ nígbà tí mo tún ra ilé mi mo tún gbé kíni mo tún gbé certificate ilé yẹn àti ilẹ̀ mo tún post ẹ̀ fún yín hello àwọn ẹlòmíì tó pé àwọn kọ́lé èmi ò ṣe lọ drag wọn pé tó ẹ pé tòótọ́ ló kọ́lé mú certificate ìwé ilẹ̀ jáde ṣe ní kíni reason ṣe rí gbogbo Lizzy ló kọ́kọ́ ṣe gbá Lizzy ló kọ́kọ́ ṣàwo Lizzy ló kọ́kọ́ everything is vanity. You don't need to tell me. I know. Everything is vanity. I know. Everything is vanity. I'm the first to do this. I'm the first to do that. I am the first to do. It's vanity. Scarf orí mi yìí ta ló kọ́kọ́ bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní wé. Ta ló ní style yìí. Ẹ mọ èèyàn tó ti ń wé nísìn. Do I need to drag people that are doing it? Everything is vanity. Nítorí pé o ṣíwájú mi lówó mi pé o máa lówó jù mí lọ. Everything in life is turn by turn. Everything in life is turn by turn. Everything in life is vanity. Tó bá kọ́lé tó bá já sínú ọ̀run. Tó bá dẹ̀ jẹ́ pé orí ẹni ló ń sùn. Ní ọjọ́ tó bá di ọjọ́ ìkẹyìn bó ṣe máa ṣe gbogbo ẹ̀ lélẹ̀ ó máa dálẹ̀ ni ó máa dálẹ̀ báyìí ni gbogbo mo lè gòkè mo lè sọ mo lè gòkè mo lè sọ ó máa ṣe báyìí ni àwọn tí ò tó ẹ tọ́lọ́hun bá fẹ́ dẹ̀ tí ẹ tọ́lọ́hun bá fẹ́ yẹ̀yẹ́ ẹ tọ́lọ́hun fẹ́ ṣẹ̀ sí ẹ wàá wá lọ kú síbi tó ò léèyàn àwọn tí ò tó ẹ tí ò lè bẹ jẹun tí ò lè bẹ wọṣọ tí ò lè bẹ mumi tí ò lè bẹ wọ bàtà àwọn ni wọ́n wá gbé òkú ẹ wọ́n wá fi lè bò ẹ́ láṣìírí ẹ gbọ́ lọ́n tóbi.
Allahu Akbar.
Àríkẹ́ bá òkòkòrò kọ́ hàn bí. Ẹ gbọ́ lọ́n tóbi. Ẹ gbọ́ lọ́n tóbi jọ.
Allahu Akbar.
Tó ló ń fẹ́ dọ̀tí ẹ pátápátá. Bọ́ ló ń wá sọ pé òun gbàgbé ẹ, òun dọ̀tí ẹ, òun kò fẹ́ kókó ẹ ṣẹ̀sìn. Wàá wá bọ́lẹ̀ nínú entourage. Tọ́rọ́ lọ́wọ́n ò ní ṣe tèmi àti tiyín bẹ́ẹ̀ o. Wàá bọ́lẹ̀ nínú entourage. Mọ́tò adé di gbàwù. Adé pọ̀tá ẹ. Mọ́tò tó ń bọ̀ lẹ́yìn àtúgùn pa. Egungun yẹn á fọ́, ẹran yẹn á já, gbogbo owó tó ní lákàùntì, aṣọ tó ní nínú báǹkì àbí tó ní nínú wọ́drópù. Kò sí kankan tó máa bẹ́ẹ̀ tó egungun ẹjọ́ pé yé olówó ni wọ́n ń bọ̀ wá gbé. Kò yẹ kíkú ẹ̀ rí báyìí. Stop the fuckery. Stop the fuckery. Stop lying. Stop the hate. Ẹ jẹ́ kí àwọn ọmọ kékeré tó ń ṣoríire, ẹ jẹ́ kí wọ́n ṣoríire in peace. Tọ́rọ ọmọ tí náà máa ṣe.
Tó bá wùwà ẹ̀ ní o.
Ìyẹn tó bá wùwà ẹ̀ ní o. Tó bá wùwà ẹ̀ ní o. Tí Ọlọ́run bá fẹ́ wá dọ̀tí ẹ, tó fẹ́ dọ̀tí ẹ gangan, tó fẹ́ kó ṣàbàṣà, wọ́n á tún wá jí ọ̀tá ẹ gbé torí wọ́n ní jí èmi àti yín gbé láyé. Ọmọ tí ò tó ẹ, á di okùn mẹ́ lọ́wọ́, á dé sẹ́yìn. Ọ̀tá ẹ wá kú síbẹ̀, á tún wá sá lọ, wọn àti egungun, àtẹran, àti wọn ò wá nírí kankan. Wọ́n wá máa wá later after 5 years. Wọ́n ṣe máa sọ pé wọ́n mú àwọn kidnapper kan, àwọn náà gbé lágbájá ní sósósó yìí ẹ̀. Ṣọ́lọ́run ò bá yí ẹni yẹn jẹ́. Kọ́lọ́run má fi wá ráre, kọ́lọ́run má fi wá ṣẹ̀sìn. Kọ́lọ́run má fi wá ráre, kó má fi wá ṣẹ̀sìn. If you're doing well in the society, congratulations to you and to your family. Congratulations. Because you are up there today. You are up there. That up. Kì í ṣòyele bàbá ẹ̀. Nígbà táwọn àǹtí wa, àwọn àǹtí Bukky Wright, kọ́lọ́run bá wa ṣe dáadáa fún wọn nílùú òyìnbó tán wà. Nígbà táwọn ọ̀yá yìí ń jarètì, ibo ni yálà ìyá ti wá wà. A ti ń fi píìnì gan pátá ni, àbí ìyá wa ni. Tó bá dìgbà kan àwa náà lọ ń sẹ́ńpẹ́. Àwọn ọmọ wa máa bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní bímọ, a lọ máa bá wọn tọ́mọ, a lọ sẹ́ńpẹ́. Ṣùgbọ́n ẹ̀yin tẹ́ pera yín ní fans, àtẹ̀yìn ẹni bí tẹ́ wà nínú iṣẹ́ tíátà, ìbàjẹ́ tẹ́ ṣẹlẹ̀ yìí kò ní tán. Think twice before you act. Think twice before you act. Everything has expiring dates. Your life, it's not permanent. Your money is not permanent. Your house is not permanent. Everything is not permanent. You are looking at me today, you say Lizzy Anjorin is beautiful. Ẹ fún mi 30 years, ìsì ẹ rí pé mi ò fine. Gbogbo ìsàlẹ̀ ojú yẹn ti hun jọ. Ọrùn á ti sọ̀kalẹ̀. Ẹ̀kẹ́ ti ní line. Tó bá máa fi tó 35-40 tí ń bá léyìn tó dá. Téyìn ò bá dá, gbogbo á ti di pọ́nmúlá, á ti di imú. Kégbé mọ̀ mí ń gbà ayé. Ẹwà là ń ṣe fíìmù ń gbà yẹn. Ń gbà ayé. Gbogbo ọyàn á ti ní stroke. Gbogbo ọyàn tó dúró báyìí á ti lọlẹ̀. Stop the shit. Just stop it. Gbogbo iṣẹ́ tíátà ò fẹ́ àbòsí. Iṣẹ́ tíátà ò fẹ́ ìkà. Mo ò tí ì rẹni tó ń fi àbòsí ṣiṣẹ́ tíátà tó lálùbáríkà. That job is a sensitive job. Acting, entertainment. It's a sensitive job. Stop it. You might not understand my pains. Ní 2019 tí mo ṣe jáde tí mo ń bínú. I hate it. Ẹ má jẹ́ ká nira wa lára. Some people do not have good health. I don't know, maybe you notice me. I don't celebrate age. I don't tell people my age. I don't celebrate so many things. Because what are you celebrating in age? Or celebrate ọjọ́ ikú. Jókòó kó ronú nǹkan tó ń jẹ́ ọjọ́ ìbí. And ẹni tó dún babaláyé yẹ kó ṣọdún ọdún wèrè wo. Thanks to my people, thanks to everybody. Thanks to everybody that normally comes around to celebrate me for my birthday. Thank you guys. Gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ máa bá mi ṣe birthday mi. Tẹ́ bá fi ní dá mi, I don't like birthday. Ọjọ́ birthday mi, ọjọ́ tí inú ọ̀tá mi máa ń bàjẹ́ jù ni. Pé ọdún mélòó ni mo pé, kí ni mo ti achieve, kí ni mo ti dà, kí ni mo ti ní. Kí ni achievement mi? Ọjọ́ mélòó lo mọ̀ tó fẹ́ lò láyé? Bóyá 35 ló kọ. Ó wá lọ pé olórin nígbà tó clock 34 tó lọ bá ṣí ẹ lójú ẹ̀mí. Ǹjẹ́ wo tó dẹ̀ mọ̀ pé kọdún kọ́kọ́ tó lọ? Stop the fuckery, stop the shit, stop the evil, be positive, love your neighbors, love everybody. If anybody copy you, so be it. Kí ló wà ńbẹ̀? Kò sí nǹkan tó ń dájà wọn ní tíátà lẹ̀. Okó ni àbówó. Kí ni tiẹ̀ láti máa dá sí? Kó tó lọ dá sí ìjà artist méjì, wo level artist yẹn kó wo level ara ẹ̀. Wo level artist yẹn. Torí pé a ṣí èrè ẹ̀dá ní Dangote Ọ̀tẹ́dọ́lá máa jà. Màá wá ní I like Ọ̀tẹ́dọ́lá than Dangote. Ó ti ní mental, ó lárùn ọpọlọ. Àwọn tó jà tó bá yá wọn parí ẹ̀. Tó bá ní àwọn artist tó ní mansion, go and check it. Wọ́n forúkọ mi sí. Wọ́n ò rí lè tèmi bí mansion nìyẹn. It's not a crime. But it's a signal, it's a message to me that I need to work hard. Tó bá ní wọ́n list àwọn richest actress, wọ́n forúkọ mi sí because lójú tí wọ́n mi ò bóyá wealthiest ni mo wà. Bóyá débò wọ́n rí mi ní set àwọn èèyàn kan nìyẹn. It's not a crime. But nítorí pé o fẹ́ parọ́ sórí YouTube, wá lọ gbé fọ́tò mi. Lizzy Anjorin said, Lizzy Anjorin wọ́n ṣépè fún ẹni. Ó ya wèrè ni. Àtẹ̀yìn oní YouTube olórí gbogbo. When I come online, I'm a vlogger as well. When I come online, I tell you about my story. Ìwọ vlogger olóṣì tó ń ṣe YouTube, so story tiẹ̀ náà fún wa ká gbọ́. Must you go and like, must you go and carry Ọba Ifẹ̀, Ọba Ọ̀yọ́, Ọba Ìlọrin, must you go and carry their fake stories to get viewers $300 tí YouTube fẹ́ san fún ẹ, ìyá yín. Ìyá gbogbo yín. Àwọn gbogbo tẹ̀dẹ̀ ṣe àwọn ọmọ yín lẹ̀ ń ṣe lẹ́dẹ̀.
Àgbàlagbà tó gbé bùkà ni.
Àgbàlagbà tó gbé bùkà ni. Ọmọ ẹ máa jẹ níbẹ̀. Toro ń ṣe YouTube olóṣì. Wá lọ wá story, àwọn tó ń kọ story, ó mọ health issue tán ni. Ẹlòmínú wọn ebi ń pa. Ẹlòmínú wọn ó ní health issue. Wá dé lọ gbé irọ́, wá dé gbé mọ́. Ọjọ́ tí mo ti ń gbé àwọn Àríkẹ́ travel, ọjọ́ tí mo ti ń gbé àwọn photographer mi travel, ọjọ́ tí mo ti ń ṣe visa fáwọn èèyàn, tí mo ti ń rú àwọn èèyàn university, ọjọ́ mo ti ní ẹ lọ gbé Fúnkẹ́ Akíndélé, kan lé ẹ Fúnkẹ́ Akíndélé comment Lizzy Anjorin. Ṣé mo mọ tí Fúnkẹ́ Akíndélé ń fèsì inú ilé ẹ̀? Ṣé máa ní kó lọ máa drag ìyàwó ń yàwó lábẹ́ ọkọ ẹ̀? Stop the shit. Kò tó ní kálukú fèsì pọ̀. Like I said earlier, if truly you are my fan, then patronize me. Don't use my success. Don't rub my success on my colleague's face. Because ìgbà tí àkókò ní nǹkan, nígbà tó ta mi ò bá síbẹ̀ mọ́ ńkọ́, kí ni mo fẹ́ fi rub on my colleague's face? Stop the shit. Nígbà tí wèrè mi ò bá kọ́lé, a máa fi rẹ̀ compare mi tí mi ò sùn. Wá ní kí n má sọ̀rọ̀, kí n má ya fún yàrá ya ẹ. If you want to compare yourself to me, then you go and fucking walk. Go and work. I don't sleep. Any táwọn kan náà bá máa sọ wá ní àwọn oní tíátà obìnrin ló ń kọ́lé, àwọn ọkùnrin ò kọ́lé. Dárúkọ ṣọ́ọ̀bù ọkùnrin oní tíátà mẹ́ta tó mọ̀. It's for sale jàre. I love earring, I love chest yẹn. Mo ń ta gbogbo ẹni. Kẹ́ fẹ́ rè mí gan, máa tara mi.
Very little love, my love shirt ìyàwó o. Ọkọ wọn wà.
Mi go be bá fẹ́ rà mí, mo wà available.
Mr. Lawal, wọ́n bọ̀ àbáyé.
Àríkẹ́ Bọ́lá sọ́dé náà.
Ọjọ́ ní shirt lásán ni.
Chest kọ́.
Wọ́n náà like shirt.
Mo sọ fún pé mò ń tà. Mo still go and drag people. Mo ń ṣiṣẹ́ mi ò sùn. Do you think it's easy láti combine acting pẹ̀lú aṣọ? Mo dẹ̀ tún ra slow down fún acting. Mo ń taṣọ, máa lọ talẹ̀, máa lọ ṣe interior deco. Àmọ́ Aláàjì iṣẹ́ kúrò ń bí ba iṣẹ́ wá fún mi fún. Àwọn ti gbé mọ́tò lọ bì kan. Tí bá kúrò lórí show nsìn, èmi náà gbé mọ́tò lọ bòmí just for us to eat. If I'm rich, I will not work again. My enemy is not rich.
Ọjà gbádùn lórí 5 megabytes tán fún wọn.
My enemy is not rich. If I'm rich enough, I will not work. I'm at a point in life that I am scared. Because owó tó bá ṣiṣẹ́ kún ó máa tán ni. Ọrọ̀ tó bá ṣiṣẹ́ fún ó máa joro ni. Àti ní owó, òun ló dùn jù. Àti ṣubú ló le jù. Because kò sẹ́dá tó ṣubú lọ́jọ́ kan, kọ́ ló máa kí gbogbo wa ṣubú. Láti ṣubú láyé yìí, it takes a gradual process bó ò ní mọ̀. Tó bá ti fẹ́ ṣubú ló máa réyàn méjì táyé wọn dá tó ń jà. Wá lọ máa dá sí. Tó bá ti fẹ́ ṣubú ò ló ń jẹ, ò nílé tó ń gbé. Ìwọ ló máa lọ àwọn tó ń gbé lé wọn, tó ń gbé duplex mansion. Ìwọ ló máa mọ̀ tó like àti tó hate wá dẹ̀ máa sọ síta pé I hate this person. Ó ti ṣubú. I don't know, maybe you guys think. Mo kì í sùn. Màá ṣiṣẹ́, màá ṣe gbá. Imagine lomi a máa compare me pẹ̀lú full-time artist. You can't compare me with full-time artist. Èmi àwa yìí ṣiṣẹ́. Tó bá pé iṣẹ́ lówó ni. Màmá rán Dangote iṣẹ́ ni. Bó iṣẹ́ kọ́ lówó. Àlùbáríkà ló jà jù. Ṣùgbọ́n tó bá ń ṣiṣẹ́, wàá rọ́wọ́ mú lọ sẹ́nu lẹ́ẹ̀mẹ́ta. Ó lè má pọ̀, bá wàá rọ́wọ́ mú lọ sẹ́nu lẹ́ẹ̀mẹ́ta. Okay, I should block Doyin. Wo ẹ fi sílẹ̀, ó ń gbádùn wa ni. Ó fẹ́ distract wa ni because àwọn tá ń sọ àwọn tó lọ́hun ti gbàgbé ni. Tá ń sọ̀rọ̀ wọn lọ́hun ti gbàgbé ẹ̀. Kò lógo Doyin tẹ́ ń wò yẹn ò lógo. Ọ̀rọ̀ tí mo sọ àwọn ló bá wí. Kò lógo. Ẹ má reply ẹ kò lógo. En tẹ́ pé fake account ló fi wá. En tẹ́ pé tó bá rí mi ó máa bẹ̀bẹ̀ ya photo ni. Wèrè Doyin yóò lógo. Tó bá lógo o kò ní máa ṣorí burúkú tó ń ṣe fake account ni wọ́n ẹ̀ẹ́dẹ̀ lè lórúkọ artist mẹ́ta tó fi ń ṣèkà lórí YouTube èèyàn méjì ni tó fi ń ṣèkà lórí YouTube èèyàn méjì ni ẹ̀ẹ́dẹ̀ sì máa ṣẹ̀sìn nítorí pé àsìkò kan ń bọ̀ gbogbo irọ́ tẹ̀ ń pa because kẹ́ tó jẹun ẹ máa ní láti lọ parọ́ ẹ máa lọ wájà àwọn èèyàn láti ra pity mo fún yín ní few years time gbogbo ẹ máa tán fún yín aku ṣe ọwọ́ ẹ wọ́n ní ààlà ló máa fokó ọ̀lẹ hàn ààlà ló máa fokó ọ̀lẹ hàn tó bá ṣiṣẹ́ tó bá tó èjì kan wàá máa rest tó bá ṣiṣẹ́ tó jẹ́ pé fake ló ń bá kiri fake life ló ń bá kiri tó bá tó stage kan náà wàá mọ̀ tó rí fake mọ́ wàá mọ̀ gbogbo àwọn ọmọ tó ń lò tó fi ń ṣe fake account ebi ti pa wọ́n ti dàgbà wọ́n ti ń pè mí kó lọ lé ọkọ wọ́n ti ń pè mí kó lọ mú ìyàwó wá ìgbà iná máa sọ jí pé ẹ gbà mí ó máa kẹ́mi náà ṣoríire they will abandon you they will leave you and go ẹ fi wèrè Doyin yẹn sílẹ̀ ẹ fi wèrè wọn sílẹ̀ tẹ́ bá inú èwo tẹ́ bá dé YouTube wọ́n ní Lizzy Anjorin sọ pé níbo ni mo ti sọ pé tẹ́ bá dodo àwọn blogger ní kíbo ni mo ti sọ bó mo ti rí ìyá ẹ mi ò rẹ́ lómi jẹ̀mẹjẹ̀ mẹ́ta lọ rí láyé mi wọ́n dé package ẹ̀ pé ọ̀rẹ́ ni wá o ọ̀rẹ́ lòun àti Lizzy mi ò mọ̀ yẹ́ rí náà.
ẹ̀rí ìyàwó èkó báyìí náà gbà yẹn tó ní ọmọ tí bí ọ̀dọ̀ yín ló ń gbé gbọ́dọ̀ ní.
You are recruiting people's children, people's future láti máa ṣe kà láti máa jà ó dẹ̀ fẹ́ jèrè tiẹ̀ ibo ló fẹ́ gbé gbà.
lójú àlà.
Sorry. Mbo. Eti many tá ń sọ. Doyin 2020 ẹ̀yin ẹ lọ open ẹ lọ open Doyin 2020 ẹ rí pé fake account àwọn tá ń sọ nìyẹn.
Àwọn aláyè fún.
Ẹ lọ wò bódà mo gbogbo yẹn sáré lọ wò máa mú jáde fún yín sìn. Àwọn là ń sọ àwọn olórí burúkú ẹ̀dá. Wọ́n ti jẹ́ kí ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ọmọ kó pàdánù dáadáa tí wọ́n ń rí. Ẹ lọ sí YouTube ẹ lọ máa parọ́ ṣé bí mo sọ wípé fake account ni aláwọn ní sẹ́ẹ̀ fake account ni
àwọn ni à ń wí.
Mo I told you guys owó wà irritating you don't need to lie on YouTube if you are real. If you are loaded, you don't need to lie. Irú èmi nsìn mo lè recruit èèyàn kó bá mi ṣe fake story lórí YouTube torí pé mo ṣì ń wówó. Bọ́lá ń dúró ni mí, mo ń hustle. Ọ̀tá mi ò tí ní much. If I have enough, I can recruit people to be helping me to lie on social media. I can recruit people to be helping me to lie on YouTube. And be calling Jennifer sọ pé, Funke sọ pé, Mercy Aigbe sọ pé, Ìyábọ̀ Òjó sọ pé. And gbogbo YouTube tẹ́ fi ṣe máa report gbogbo YouTube yẹn. I will call you out and I will ask people to unfollow you.
Ẹ má bá yé àwọn èèyàn jẹ́ tán.
Ẹ má bá yé àwọn èèyàn jẹ́ tán. Ẹ má bá yé àwọn èèyàn jẹ́ tán. Àwọn tá ń sọ nìyẹn. Àwọn yẹn òun làwọn dayan tá àwọn Doyin tá ń sọ yẹn àwọn nìyẹn. Fake account ni o. Ó ti mọ̀ pọ̀rọ̀ tí mo wá ṣe òun lòun ní. Ó ti mọ̀ pé òun lòun lọ́rọ̀. Ẹ gbọ́dọ̀ gbé wèrè yẹn wọ 2021. If you see any artist, if you admire them, pray for them and leave. Hours tó fi ń bá wọn lọ bí tó ń say I hate Lágbájá, I hate Mercy, I hate Ìyábọ̀, I hate hours yẹn lẹ́lòmíì fi ń pa billions. Hours yẹn ni Ìyábọ̀ Òjó fi ń pa billions, ni Mercy fi ń pa billions, ni Lizzy Anjorin fi ń pa billions. That was saying, I hate Ìyábọ̀, I hate Lizzy, I hate Mercy. Ta ló ràn ya ẹ? Hate ò fún mi lówó.
Kò lè yọ owó lákàntì wa.
Àwọn èèyàn ló tó aṣọ ìyáṣọ rẹ̀. Ẹ ti rí ọwọ́ náà fi tó. This will take me 2 months with 15 able bodies láti tó 2 months.
Kò rí yẹn ṣe àṣàbà.
Ó rí yẹn ṣe. Mo sọ fún yín ní few years ago pé nǹkan tó dájà lẹ́ nìyẹn. Tí mo sọ fún yín pé why would any artist lọ create fake account máa fi ní àwọn tó kù ẹ lára? Àwọn tó ní lára ó lè jẹ́ pé oríire wọn tóun bá tiẹ̀ fẹ́ ṣorí burúkú tiẹ̀ kó dá ṣorí burúkú ẹ̀, but stop recruiting people's children, people's future. Ògo ìdílé kan làwọn ọmọ kan tẹ́ ń recruit yìí. Nígbà tọ́rọ̀ social media ò tí ì tó yìí ó ní iye ọmọ tẹ́lòmíì rán ní school. Èmi personally èmi àtàwọn ọ̀rẹ́ mi. But when you call some of them now, I'm a Roman coach can run in school. One la ọmọ tẹ́ pé Instagram náà ń gbé, àmọ́ tẹ́ pé fake account náà fi ń ṣe kíníkiri. Why? Àwọn ọmọ kan dé wà tẹ́ pé truly they need help. They need help. Àwọn ọmọ kan wà tó need help, but wọ́n ti forí burúkú títí ó ti fi bá tí wọ́n jẹ́ òde fẹ́ sórí rẹ̀. You have to stop all this shit this 2020. Ẹ jẹ́ kó bá coronavirus lọ. Mo ń bọ̀. Ẹ jẹ́ kó bá coronavirus lọ. Ẹ jẹ́ kó bá coronavirus lọ. Láti January 1st di ẹni àtúnbí. Èmi gan mo ń learn. I'm learning from this. I'm learning from this. Di ẹni àtúnbí. Sit yourself down. Ṣí ọpọlọ ẹ. Ṣí. Tó bá ipò fẹ́ fiama ni, fiama fọ́ láàrin púpúpúpú. Má jẹ́ kẹ́jẹ́ yọ ń bẹ̀ kó má lọ ní internal injury. Kó má ní Lizzy ni. As from January 1st, sọ fúnra ẹ pé mo fẹ́ lo ògo mi fún ìdílé mi. Mo fẹ́ lo ògo mi fún ìdílé mi. Olúwa ṣàánú ayé mi. Ògo mi mo fẹ́ lò. Mo fẹ́ lo ògo mi fún ìdílé mi, ràn mí lọ́wọ́ Olúwa. Ẹlẹ́dàá mi gbè mí níjà. Tó bá ti rí bí artist méjì mẹ́ta ń jà, fi wọ́n lẹ̀, kó pray fún wọn. Oh, I love Lagbaja, I love Temedo. Even if you don't love them, tell them you love them and go. But situation whereby you're saying, I love Lizzy, I hate Arike. Do you know what it means? Psychologically, on jẹ́ kẹ́ni yẹn feel unloved. Psychologically, on torment ẹni yẹn. Spiritually, wà dẹ̀ jẹ̀yà ẹ̀. Tẹ́ pé pastor àgbàdúrà fún òní bọ́m̀bẹ̀. Imam àgbàdúrà fún òní bọ́m̀bẹ̀. Kò sẹ́ni tó máa gbàdúrà fún ẹbí òní bọ́m̀bẹ̀. O a ní pé wèrè ni wọ́n fi wọ́n lẹ̀. Wọ́n fẹ́ distract wa ní ọ̀rọ̀ tá dé fẹ́ sọ a máa sọ. Torí mo fẹ́ yọ àwọn ọmọ kan nínú ìgbèkùn. Mo fẹ́ yọ àwọn ọmọ kan nínú ìgbèkùn. Mo fẹ́ yọ àwọn ọmọ kan nínú ìgbèkùn. I don't know your age. Don't follow artist fight. Don't put your mouth. Some of these artists, ẹ mọ̀ bí tó ń korí bọ̀. Ẹ mọ̀ bí tó ń kojú bọ̀. Ẹ mọ̀ tó ń ṣàdúrà fún wọn. Ẹ má dá sọ̀rọ̀ wọn. Most everything tẹ́ ń wò yẹn fake ni. Èmi fake ni. Àwọn tó rí lẹ̀ mọ̀ wọ́n. Ṣé èmi ni máa pe Rédí méjì, máa pe Fisáyọ̀, máa pe kí lórúkọ àwọn ọmọ tí mò ń kó kiri yẹn náà? Ire, Fisáyọ̀, help mi ọmọ tó Àṣekún Awuf, máa ní Àṣekún yá, ẹ lọ open account. Ó yá o, Fúnkẹ́ máa post ọmọ Ghetto the Saga. Ẹ lọ bẹ̀, ẹ lọ bú, ẹ lọ baṣẹ́ ọwọ́ ẹ̀ jẹ́. Ẹlẹ́dàá mi, má jẹ́ ríru ẹ̀, má jẹ́ ríru ẹ̀, má jẹ́ ríru ẹ̀, má jẹ́ ríru ẹ̀, tọmọtọmọ mi, má jẹ́ ríru ẹ̀. N tí ìyá tèmi ṣe ni mò ń gbà, n táwọn òbí ẹ̀ ṣe ló ń gbà. Ìwọ náà tún fẹ́ fi òṣì lọ́mọ lọ́wọ́. You need to stop. You need to be positive. Look at, we have no government. We have nobody. Some of us gan ta ní ìyá, kò hàn pa ní ìyá. Some of us ta ní bàbá, kò hàn pa ní bàbá. Ara wa la ní. Wọ́n tún ní mọ̀ ọ̀yàn kó lè jẹ́ èèyàn. Èèyàn yẹn wá ní wọ́n yọ gbóngbó tì. Nígbà táwọn kan bẹ̀rẹ̀ iṣẹ́ tíátà, wọn ò mọ̀ pé àwọn kan máa débẹ̀. Nígbà táwọn kan wà ńbẹ̀, wọn ò mọ̀ pé Rúwa máa join. Nígbà tí Rúwa join, a mọ̀ pé àwọn Ṣèyẹdún máa join. Nígbà táwọn Ṣèyẹdún join, wọn ò mọ̀ pé àwọn kan máa join. The next artist could be your child, your sister. Ohun tó dẹ̀ ń ṣe iná máa ṣe fún. Lizzy Anjorin o, Lizzy Anjorin o. Ṣanjorin ni father's name ẹ. Ìyábọ̀ Òjó, ṣé Ìyábọ̀ Òjó ni surname ẹ? Mẹ́sà Ẹgbẹ́, ṣé Mẹ́sà Ẹgbẹ́ ni surname ẹ? Fúnkẹ́ Akíndélé, Fúnkẹ́ Akíndélé ni surname ẹ. Àbúrò rẹ̀ pin. Ó rò pé ó lè better. You can be better. You can be far better. You can be far better. You can do better. You can be greater. Forget your age, forget the fact that they are feeding you. The richest youth, kí lorúkọ ẹ̀ Kylie Jenner bó nǹkan ni, ọmọ 23 years. Alákìjà ó ní èjì tó wà, Oprah ó ní èjì tó wà. Because you are from poor home, don't be miserable. I am from poor home as well. Mo they were miserable. I open my heart and I love people. Nǹkan tó dẹ̀ help mi lẹ́ni nìyẹn. Lizzy Anjorin taṣọ, ó ń tagbá. Lizzy Anjorin taṣọ, ó ń ta gold, ó ń ta diamond, ó ń ta lẹ̀, ó ń ta mọ́tò, ọkọ ẹ̀ ń ta mọ́tò, ó ń tagbá. Ṣé ìyá mi àti bàbá mi ló ń bá mi rà? Ṣé ìyá tó jẹ́ pé ó máa pé 10 years ní January 8? Bàbá mi tó ti kú láti 1919 kòkòrò. Ṣé òun ló ń bá mi rà? No. You have to fẹ̀yàn mímọ̀ ṣọ̀rọ̀. The government failed us. Do not fail yourself. Don't fail yourself. Do not fail your family. Because your parents are poor does not mean you should poor. Má jẹ́ kí ègún ràn látorí rẹ̀. Má jẹ́ kó gun ìdílé ràn látorí ẹ. Má dá sọ̀rọ̀ tó máa fi gbé ogun. Any blogger can write anything. Torí blogger mi wọ́n mú story lọ bá ni. Fake story. Àmọ́ fake story tí bá rí pa má wò pé ẹ gbà mí. Èmi tí mi mọ̀ pé tí mi tí ẹ mọ̀ pé nǹkan kan exist. Èmi tí mi mọ̀ pé nǹkan kan exist. N bá rí story mi báyìí má kọ wò. Lizzy sọ pé tí n bá dé rí YouTube. Ó ní bọ̀bọ́ kan tó máa lo yí òun web. Ọjọ́ tó bá sọ pé Lizzy Anjorin Christ wà á ké ìyá ake bàbá ake wọn ake lórí ẹ̀. Stop tọmọtọmọ ẹ stop using kiri kan cry. Okay, I saw a story. Lizzy Anjorin mock Ìyábọ̀ Òjó. I opened that YouTube. Mo wá rí pé advert Ìyábọ̀ ni from A to Z. Mo kàn mi wá báyìí. Báwo ni ma sọ pé Ìyábọ̀ Òjó ó ṣí shop, ó ṣe shop ẹ̀. Ìyá wọn ló máa I love Ìyábọ̀. I love everybody. I love everybody. I love everybody. Ìyábọ̀ ó fẹ́ dínà. Ìyábọ̀ ó fẹ́ dínà. Ta ni kí Ìyábọ̀ fẹ́?
Àpò afẹ́ grandpa.
Ṣé grandpa ẹ ni kí Ìyábọ̀ fẹ́? Ìyábọ̀ ṣẹ́yìn ni kò ṣe gbọ́dọ̀ fẹ́ dínà. Àbí tí Ìyábọ̀ bá fẹ́ Buhari kì í ṣoríire tiwa ní industry. Ṣé kì í ṣoríire wọ if truly you are our fan? Messi Ambode ló ra lé fún. Kí ló ṣòbo tiẹ̀ tí Fáṣọlá ò ṣe rà fún ẹ? Go and get seated. Stop gbogbo ṣe 2020 yìí. Stop òṣì yẹn. Rore kan artist. Rore kan wọ́n. Ẹ̀dìyẹ ńlá gùn inú ara òní ó jẹ́ ká mọ̀. Àwọn artists, àwọn actresses tẹ́ ń wò yẹn, they are going through a lot. They are working so hard. They are working so hard. Tí Ìyábọ̀ bá fẹ́ dínà. Tí uncle tí ẹ dẹ̀ fẹ́ lọ fún chairman local government. Tó pè mí ò ní bẹ́ẹ̀ pè Ìyábọ̀. Tí Messi bá fẹ́ Ambode. Tí uncle tí ẹ bá fẹ́ lọ fún governor, mi ní bẹ́ẹ̀ pè Messi. Tí wọ́n bá fẹ́ ra mọ́tò, ṣé Messi ò ní pè mí? Why tó ṣe jẹ́ pé anything that has to do with artist ẹ má bí ká ní pé ẹ fẹ́ kí ire tọ́ sí wọn rárá, ẹ fẹ́ kàn tí ẹ jẹ́yàn rárá. Why? They are human beings too. They deserve to be happy. Tí Ìyábọ̀ bá bẹ̀rẹ̀ wèrè TikTok ẹ̀ ó kì í rẹ́rìn àárín tàkìtì ni aṣìwò kan láàárọ̀ yìí tó mú aṣọ tó ro sídìí rẹpẹtẹ tó ń ṣe pásítọ̀ arẹ́rìn. Tí tí Mercy náà tó bá wọṣọ tán tí Mercy náà bá wọṣọ tán pretty girl fúnra ẹ̀. These are people tó ń fẹ̀rín sí yín lẹ́nu. These are people tó ń ṣe dáadáa. They are showing you way of fashion. They are doing well. Tí Fúnkẹ́ náà bá bẹ̀rẹ̀ ọmọ ghetto the saga tiẹ̀ náà tó bẹ̀rẹ̀. They are putting smile on your faces. They deserve to be happy. They deserve to be happy. Every artist out there deserves to be happy. Tó bá jẹ́ pé tí Ṣáyì tó bá ṣèyí ẹdún tó bá kọ́mẹ̀ntì sí péjì mi, ẹ wá máa fi oríṣiríṣi nǹkan bú. Ẹ̀yin kọ́ lẹ dà. Ẹ̀yin kọ́ lẹ dà. Ẹ̀yin kọ́ lẹ dà. Ẹ̀yin kọ́. You need to stop. Artist tó jà lẹ́ni wọ́n lè padà sọ̀rọ̀ lọ́la, wọ́n lè padà ṣe dáadáa lọ́la. But ọ̀rọ̀ nǹkan tẹ́yin bá ti contribute yẹn. Tẹ́ bá ti gbogbo nǹkan tí wọ́n bá ti sọ yẹn, òun ló máa bà gbogbo ẹ̀jẹ̀ tí wọ́n ní fi sọ̀rọ̀ mọ́. Eleni, why are you talking about of Gistlover? You are not normal. You are not normal. Gistlover ló gbé story. Jẹ́jẹ́ kọ́ ni Gistlover jókòó tẹ lọ́ba. Ṣé Gistlover ló gbé story yín? Gistlover kọ́ ló gbé story. I've been saying this láti 19 kokoro. Gistlover bá yín dénúlé kò dẹ̀ gbénúlé yín. Ẹ̀yin lè má lọ gbé story fún gbogbo àwọn bloggers yẹn. I am just telling you, this is 2020. We need ourselves. Tẹ́tí ẹ bá di tó lọ́pọ̀lọpọ̀ gbọ́ mi. We need ourselves. You need me, I need you.
Wọ́n fi ọmọ orí odó yọ òun tó wà létí.
Fi ọmọ orí odó yọ etí. Gistlover ń bá yín gbénu lẹ́ni. Tẹ́ bá lọ gbé kèsì fún. Gistlover ń ṣe wèrè. Tó bá lọ study wèrè ọmọ yẹn dáadáa, Gistlover tó bá study ẹ̀ dáadáa, wá rí pé tó bá kọ story lọ, àìmọ́ ó máa ń kọ story mi ló máa ń dọ̀tí mi dáadáa, but mo study èmi ò ń ṣe wèrè. Go ask about me, ask my friends about Lizzy Anjorin. Wọ́n sọ fún ẹ pé wisdom wà ń bẹ bí yẹ̀pẹ̀. Wisdom ó pọ̀ bí yẹ̀pẹ̀. Tí Gistlover bá kọ story ẹ̀ tó bá ń lọ tó bá rò tó máa yí padà. Ó máa yí padà. Ẹ̀yin tẹ́ gbé fake story lọ initially ẹ̀yin lẹ ní èṣù. Ẹ̀yin lẹ ní èṣù. Gistlover is doing her job, his job dẹni. Everybody ṣiṣẹ́ ni, blogger ni. Everybody ṣiṣẹ́ ni. Everybody ṣiṣẹ́ ni. Only is it because Gistlover is king? Bóyá tí ẹ di tí mo ní kó lọ wọ ọmọ ghetto the saga. Tí mo ní kó lọ sí Lẹ́kì kó lọ bá Ìyábọ̀ rajà. Wá sí Kọ̀tà kó bá Lizzy Anjorin rajà. Lọ sọ́dọ̀ Mercy kó bá rajà. Pé gbogbo àwọn artist tó mọ̀ kó tán pè ń fan nìyẹn. So toro ń báyàn jẹ́ ó fẹ́ kàn sọ tọrọ fún ẹ. Ó sick. Ìbàjẹ́ tó ń ṣe tó ń kọ sílẹ̀ yẹn, béèrè lọ́wọ́ rẹ pé ṣó lè gbà.
Àárín wọn lè gbà o. Wọ́n lè gbè bú.
Ó lè gbà náà. Ọjọ́ mélòó la fẹ́ lò láyé tẹ́gbọ̀dí dẹ̀ wẹ̀ wúrin. 2020 ò kọ́ yín lọ́gbọ́n ni. Wọ́n ní kẹ́ dáwó kẹ́ ra lẹ̀. Ẹ dáwó kẹ́ ra lé. Ẹ dáwó kẹ́ ra kírìmù. Tó ẹ gbèyàn dúdú ni ẹ kó dúdú kó fine. Tó ẹ gbèyàn pupa náà ni ẹ enhance ẹ. Máa ṣe yàmà àbí YouTube YouTube tó bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní kọ story olóṣì kò sẹ́ni tó lọ bá ní kò sẹ́ni tó lọ bá tó máa ní wá àìmọ̀ story tá ti rí tẹ́ pé tá bá rí báyìí àgbàlagbà la máa bá nídìí ẹ̀ tó lọ́mọ àgbàlagbà. That is why I don't talk about youth. Some youth are smart. Ẹ rò pé youth ló ń da yẹ́rú youth kọ́ ló ń da yẹ́rú. Ìtàwọn àgbàlagbà àgbà òṣì àgbàwèrè tó ti tán fún. Àwọn àgbà òṣì tó ti tán fún láwùjọ tó ń wo pé kọ́ mékeré náà kó bàjẹ́ fún yìí tó ń ṣe nínú ọ̀rọ̀ yìí ló pọ̀ jù. Àwọn youth smart tẹ́ ṣe ń wo yẹn àwọn youth gbọ́n. A máa purọ́ ọmọ youth òṣìwò youth tó fẹ́ lo Ferrari youth tó fẹ́ lo Bugatti youth tó fẹ́ tó àwọn youth tó pójú wọn ga àwọn youth tó pé ìwà kàrà náà fi ń jẹun bẹ́ẹ̀ ni wọ́n ṣe fẹ̀rẹ̀ àwọn youth tó fẹ́ lo gold. It's not about youth alone. We need to change. This is 2020. Ẹ jẹ́ kó lọ. Let's start a new life. If you are my fan, patronize me. If you are my fan, patronize me. Don't use my success to rub anybody's face. If you are my fan, oh mommy, o máa wo page mi, o mọ bínú mi ṣe mọ́, o mọ bí mo ṣe máa ń ṣeré, o máa rí story mi bì kan. Ẹlòmíì máa ní Lizzy, you blocked me. A máa pé reason, o gbọ́ story mi bì kan ló ń like ẹ̀, máa block ya ẹ̀ ṣá ni. Because mi ò ṣe ẹ́ now, iṣẹ́ mi ni mò ń ṣe ni now. Mo fẹ́ ta sóyòyò, mo fẹ́ ta run mi jọ̀lọ̀, mo fẹ́ ta lé, mo fẹ́ ta lẹ̀. Ọkọ mi ń ta mọ́tò, mo fẹ́ ta aṣọ. Ṣé èyí tí mo wọ̀ yóò lè ra fún ya ẹ̀? Àbí wọ gangan ò lè re léyìí? Àbí tó bá wọrú ilé ọkọ ẹ máa sá kúrò ńlé, ó ronú bó ṣe máa túwó jọ re léyìí. You can call me my sister.
Okay. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, yes ma. Happy New Year in advance ma.
God bless you. I'm
Yes,
just
ma'am.
looking at this.
Which one ma? Arike? Buy me attend to mommy. We have lovely fabrics there ma. And you can call me, you can check that place ma.
My husband would not allow it.
Hey yeah, sure you come back.
We just packed here, so
Yeah.
I was waiting for him.
Sure you okay. Okay ma.
This one and this one.
Oh yeah mo.
And
Okay.
this one.
It's for sale. If you like the jewelry, for sale. Buy. Ẹ rà kí n tó bínú sí yín.
Okay. Are they wax? What are they?
Yes.
High targets.
Yes, ma'am. They are high targets. And we have some of them out there. We have some Ankaras there.
Okay.
We have some lovely ones
I
out there.
just saw this.
Okay,
I'm
ma.
giving a very brief time.
Okay, ma. Sure, you come back, ma.
I will come back, but let me know the price.
We have the one of 10K, we have 25K, we have 40K. Those ones that are 120K.
Those ones are too expensive.
Yes.
I just want wax.
Wax. Like how much? 10K.
No, this one shouldn't be 10K now.
No, this one is. Hello, Lily. Moano. Jekin Wuruko. This one is 15. Last. Last, yes.
What's the difference?
Because of the cotton. Because of the
How
cotton.
about this?
Jekin. I'll give you this one for 8.
Wow.
Yes, ma'am. Those ones, they are Ankara, but they are 120.
I know.
Those ones are high targets.
I know. Those ones are like. These ones are high target.
And big one.
Actually have my eyes on this.
Yeah, it's
The
beautiful.
Bold design, but not that price.
The pattern is beautiful.
Is that the last price?
Yes, mommy.
Okay, maybe I will come back when I'm testing.
Okay, ma.
Working with this man and it doesn't go well.
Yeah. I know that's. You can come back, ma.
All right.
Yes, ma. So, èèyàn kan ní Ankara 120, Ankara 250 wà. Ankara 250 wà. Ibi tí wọ́n bá ríran dé ni. Ankara 5,000 dẹ̀ wà, Ankara 3,000 wà. Ankara 5,000 òun là ń sọ. Ẹ jẹ́ kí n fa Ankara kan hàn yín. Ẹ bá mi gbé Ankara yẹn wá tí mo stone yẹn. Ankara ta ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ tán yẹn. Ẹ ra aṣọ December ló dé yìí. Mo ń ṣe promo. àwọn aṣọ kan wà tanta 150 250 àti nta 50,000 àfi ṣe promo ẹ ra aṣọ kẹ́ra fáwọn ọmọ mi ẹ̀yin ọkùnrin tẹ́ ń wò mí ẹ ra fáwọn ìyàwó yín ọkùnrin mi ẹkùn ẹ̀ bó ṣe ríre jabalu ẹkùn èké ló máa fi ṣe lórí social media. This is Ankara. See this Ankara. Ẹ̀yin náà wò. Look at this Ankara. You see this Ankara? Ah, kò easy. Cream wà sóyòyò òun rẹ̀ wò fọkọ́mọ̀rẹ́ kó pupa. 2021 is our year. Our year of favor. Mi ò dẹ̀ fi kí nǹkankan díẹ̀ lọ́wọ́ favor ẹ. Ó lè jẹ́ Messi ló máa ràn ẹ́ lọ́wọ́, ó lè jẹ́ Yabo, ó lè jẹ́ Lizzy. Ó lè jẹ́ Àríkẹ́, ó dẹ̀ lè jẹ́ wọ ló máa ràn mí lọ́wọ́. Ó lè jẹ́ wọ ló fẹ́ bá mi mú customer wá. Ó lè jẹ́ wọ. Ó lè hate mi ṣùgbọ́n bá mi rajà. Ó lè hate any artist, patronize wọn. Patronize wọn. Don't be a miserable fan. Ẹ má dájálẹ̀, yìí tàjà ti tó, owó là ń wá, àwọn ọmọ wa ti dàgbà. Ẹ má dájálẹ̀ mọ́. Tá bá ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ ìjà wa tàjà náà la máa parí ẹ̀. Ẹ fi wálẹ̀. Àjà mọ́ o, ó ti rẹ̀ wá o, ó sú wa. Ó yá, ó gba aṣọ tó ń lọ sí àwọn aṣọ tó ń lọ lọ́rin dà. Iná àwọn dà pé kí ni jẹ́ káwọn aṣọ yẹn lọ lọ́sàn-án. Ẹ jẹ́ gbogbo àwọn aṣọ yẹn lọ lọ́sàn-án ẹ jọ̀ọ́. Ẹ jẹ́ gbogbo àwọn aṣọ yẹn lọ lọ́sàn-án. Àwọn etí DHL fẹ́ kódà. Àwọn oní cream ṣe ti tó ọjà wọn. Aṣọ mélòó ló ń lọ sí ibẹ̀ 1 2 3 4 5 5. Ó yá Àríkẹ́ pàkẹ́ sínú pálí once and for all. Àríkẹ́ má ṣe bí ọ̀gá mẹ́ẹ̀ dìde. I don't have film school, you're coming. Yes, so we are more sales lower. I have a buyer 50,000. I have nice designs 50 work consistent púpọ̀ ńbẹ̀ o. Kẹ́ má lọ débi o. Àríkẹ́ náà wà lórí igbá ó wà fún títà o. Àríkẹ́, if you want to buy Àríkẹ́. Ilé mama pèyàn nìyẹn. Kó rẹ kúrò. Azizi ni. Someone said my advice is me I don't fight. You don't know me. I don't fight. I don't fight. I don't have strength for fight. If you do anyhow, I will give you anyhow. That is my own. If you respect yourself, I will respect you. If you love me, I will love you. If you want peace of mind, don't come and give me problem. Because body they pepper me. Because I dey hustle. I want to make it. Let me tell you something, eh? When you get to a stage in life, nobody will help you again. Nobody will give you money. When you get to a stage in life, that is why if you want to fake and work. If you want to fake it and work it. Because if you fake it and you don't work it, ogun wa nbe. You know I will always tell you the truth. When you are in some stage, some people will give you money, 200,000, 500,000, 1 million, 20,000. When you get to a stage, think gbogbo ojú tin wo epo wa okay, nobody will dash you money. At that time, you have to work. At that time, you won't sleep again. You have to work, except if you don't have brain, loku. To ba lopolo. Because you, okay, tell me, if I call anybody now that, oh, Please give me 1 million, 2 million. Who will give me such money? Who will give me such money? Nobody. Who will dash me? Even kí n tó marry gan, ta ló fẹ́ fún mi? Because everybody believe, oh, Lizzy is okay, Lizzy is okay, Lizzy is okay. So who will give me? So when you get to a stage in life, that is why, when people are saying, oh, I just bought a car, oh, I just buy it. Hey. Maybe you just buy a car or you just buy a big house. Some people, a lot of people congratulate you. Oh, congratulations. But guess what? End of gift, nobody will be dashing you money again, no. Nobody will be dashing you money again. So if you want to fake it, fake it. Fake is allowed. Fake it till you make it. But you will walk. You will walk. You will walk. Because you don't already fake calm. You must make calm. So before you fake it, think twice.
Go dada. Glory.
Me, I've been telling women, don't take care of yourself. Take care of your skin. Wear good clothes. Be saving money. Be doing this. That is what I can do. That is what I can give you to support you. That's all I have to support you. That's all I have to support you. Save money. Do this. Take care of yourself. Wear good clothes. Do this. That's all I can do, oh. That's all I can give you. If I give you money, how much? Owó tí mo fẹ́ fún yín kọ́ ló máa là yín. Owó tí mo fẹ́ fún yín kọ́ ló máa là yín. But I will tell you, please do this. Please try this. Please try this. Oh, do this. If I do something with my husband, if I post it, I'm not intimidating or trying to rub it on my colleague's face or my friend's face or my mate's face. You all know my age now. Nígbà tí mo marry. I am just trying to show this side. Even me and my husband, we have our own, our no manja. But, when, as a celebrity, if you show people the good side, maybe it can help some homes. Maybe it can help some homes. Some people will say, when I got married, this one, can this one cook? Can this one do that? Do you know, if not for 2 people, you guys, you will know the real Lizzy. I know what I'm saying when it comes to social media. I know what I'm saying. If not for 2 people in my life, you will not know real Lizzy. All they painted for you was the bitter Lizzy. For once in my life, I have never been a bitter person in my life. I have been a sweet soul. If you become my friend, you will, if you have the money, you build house, you buy car. Ask people that are close to me. If you are with me, I will tell you, you need to get a car. I will give you the little that I can afford. Take, go and add money, go and buy a car. If you are with me, I will try my best to support you. If you are with me, you can never wear rag. I'm not a woman that wish my fellow woman to wear rag or to look dirty. I am not such a woman. I am not. Go ask about me. But when you guys ganged, you painted me. Oh God. You painted me as bitter. Oh God. Say mommy bitter person. If you are bitter, these people behind fake accounts, they are the people who can call bitter. When you see your mate doing great and you are not happy, that is when you are bitter. When you see that this person, they want to give this person contract, or I can call this person for this business and this person will grow, and you block it, that means you are bitter. People that are promoting people that are promoting a fellow woman, Let's start from our house help. If you meet any of my house help, go and ask about Lizzie Anjorin. They will tell you. I am not. But nígbà tí wọ́n gbógun social media day, if not for two people. Number one, Arike. Is Arike that you guys to know the real Lizzie. Lizzie is a sweet soul. Lizzie is a sweet person. Then my husband. Those two people, I only get more. Minus Arike, minus my husband. You'd have think, oh, that is Lizzie. And my own is, let's stop evil. Let's stop it. Because I will surely need you. Either you are poor, you are rich, I will need you. And you will need me too. We will need ourselves, regardless of what happened. We will need each other, no matter what. There are some, you can think some people are useless. Nobody is useless. Nobody is useless. Everybody is useful. Nobody. I don't blame bloggers like I used to say. I don't blame bloggers. I don't blame them. They are doing their job. But what about people? Don't be fake story. If you want to do any story, let it be real. I know bloggers too. I know journalists. If anybody know Dayo Badmus is a journalist. He was with me for 13 years. Me so go story on story lẹ́nu mi rí. Ba mi ma ní Lizzie tí ti pọ̀jù. Ìwọ sọ story yan. Mo ní story wo ni yala ya mi ni tí mo fẹ́ sọ story fún ẹ. Go and ask Dayo. If anybody know Dayo, in likes of Dayo Badmus, in likes of Kunle Alariya, in likes of Taofik, go and ask them. Kí lorúkọ Bobo Islander yìí ná? Oh. Ola Mohammed, go and ask them. We're together for a very long time. I can use them and be using them to intimidate or to be doing evil to my colleagues. But no. Tó bá jẹ́ pé nǹkan tí mo ṣe ń gba ẹni mi ní débi tí mo wà lẹ́ni. So if you have any opportunity in life, maybe you know a blogger, you know a vlogger, you know this, you know, make use of it in a positive way that will put food on your table. Because nobody will help you. Nobody will help you. Ati bere Ijo la fẹ́ close. We're going to close on the 30th and we'll open on 5th. So if you want to order for any cream, it's going to be on phone. Please. Arike's birthday is December 31st. All I need is your prayer. Eba mi ṣàdúrà f'Arike. Eba mi ṣàdúrà f'Arike. Eba mi pray f'Arike. Arike, eba mi pray fún. Eba mi pray fún. Eba mi pray fún. You all don't know me. Mi kì í bínú. Tí bá ti ń gbé ọ̀rọ̀ bọ̀. Tí bá ti gbé sí tí mo ṣe gragra, ó ti tán nínú tèmi. Once I do my gragra, it don't finish. I know they understand you. Ẹ̀yin kò yé yín. Gbogbo ọ̀tá tí ń sọ látàárọ̀, mo ti sọ point mi kó ní kálukú mú tiẹ̀. Kó ní kálukú mú tiẹ̀, ó ti tán nínú tèmi kò sí tó kàn mí. Mi ṣe máa ta sóyòyò ni mò ń wá. Pọ̀nmọ́ funfun, ẹ̀fọ́ kó mọ́, tí máa taṣọ, tí máa talẹ̀, tí máa talé.
Iye wà ń bẹ orí yẹn ra o.
Wọ́n máa rà.
Gbogbo ṣàkúṣàkú ló wà lójú yẹn, má wà ra
You need to look good though for this December. You need to look good. You need to look good. Ẹ wá àwọn aṣọ yìí ń ṣe àwọn aṣọ rèé. Kẹ́ra. Ẹ bá mi pray for Arike o. Pray for Arike. Arike is a good person. She is a good girl. Arike is a good girl. Arike is a good girl. And everybody can testify to that. Àbí ẹ ti lórúkọ Arike kó lọ máa búyàn rẹ̀ kó máa ṣèkà. No. Kò sí àwọn ọmọ kankan tó súnmọ́ mi. We are like this o. Kini. Èèyàn kan sọ pé I love the table. You know now, it's true now. This is December. If truly you are our fans, patronize us. Love us. And if you don't love us, pretend as if you love us. Just be gbogbo ele.
Didn't get banana.
So, please guys, patronize us, patronize us, patronize us, and pray for us. All the artists, patronize us, if truly you are our fans, patronize us. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́. Kí ni a fẹ́ fi ṣọdún? Ẹ̀yin tèmi ní Instagram, kí ni ká fi ṣọdún? Mo wá nǹkan ẹ gbọ́ kí ni ká fi ṣọdún?
Potato.
I hope you all learn one or two things. Forget the memes and this thing. I hope we learn one or two things. Please, as from next year, please just adjust. Your family needs you. My own glory is my glory. Your glory is meant for your family. My glory is for my family. Please, be a good person. And if you feel like not becoming a good person, but me, you want jewelry? This jewelry is for sale. If you Arike won le gbo. Ori bon ye kun bi bai pẹ̀lú fake account o pepe won. See, if you want to lie, go and lie. Lie in peace. Do not carry my picture or my name to lie, please. Lie in, because if you call my name, I will call you out. 2021 owo ni mo nwa. So, if you want to do anything, do it in peace and love in peace. And do not misjudge people. Do not hate people. Okay, you want to buy a car. Mr. Lawal is in charge. If you hate people, don't hate people because of their lifestyle. Don't hate people because of their lifestyle. Like me now, if not for my clothes, I won't be dancing. If not for my clothes, I won't be here. If not for my clothes, I won't be doing some things. You know what I mean? I'm into interior decor as well. I'm into interior decor. So, if you want to do interior decor, you want to buy a house, you want to buy land, you want to do some dear, you can start. You are not too young. You are not too young and you are not too old. Believe me. A mighty ocean starts from a drop of water. Believe me, you can do it too. Just spend your time wisely. Spend your data wisely. Spend your heart wisely. Do not pick it on any artist because of their lifestyle. Like me now. Look at me. Bọ́lọ̀ ṣe dá mi rèé. Ojú má ti ṣe gbùrùgbùrù mi ó ti tán. Má ti ṣe gbùrùgbùrù mi ó ti tán. So if I'm not pleased with your attitude or something, I will tell you. I know ti lọ nìyẹn. Not that I will hide behind keyboard or hide behind something and be bringing someone down because I want to grow. No. Please, let your 2021 be great. Let your 2021 be great. Good afternoon, ma. Yes, ma. Good afternoon, ma. Ẹ má bínú mommy. Arike ni. Mommy Arike mugbo. Ẹ lè believe po mugbo. Ó ti sá lọ. Mommy ó ti sá lọ. Mommy ẹ wọlé. You can have your seat, my sister. Come on, Arike. Mommy, why? How are you, my? Are you guys?
Oh, mommy.
Wait, are you guys twins?
Yeah, they are twins. Yeah.
And you and?
Idowu, she's Alaba. We still have an older twin.
Who is Idowu?
Idowu.
So why did you steal their height? The twins, ba?
Last born.
Okay, last born. Do you have another twin?
Yes.
Where is mommy?
She's coming.
I want her to come and hug me. I want twins. àwọn twins lẹ́ẹ̀mẹ́fà.
Alaba, Idogbe.
Ìdògbé dà.
Èmi Idogbe.
Ìwọ kẹ̀. Mọ́mì ti wà ń bínú sí ẹ. Wọ́n náà ti pé you can have your seat, my sister.
Àwọn live ni.
Okay. So guys, Asis Suliat, I don't hate you. I can never hate you. No, I can never. Ọlọ́run ò ní jẹ́ hate kẹ̀. Me that cannot even see àwọn ọmọ inú mi náà ṣe fóònù ní China. Mi ò rí fóònù ṣe Nàìjíríà. Màá wá hate. No, sorry, sorry. So guys, 2020, inshallah, heaven will bless us. So, nígbà 2020 yìí lọ lágbára Ọlọ́run, and 2021 will be a great year. 2021 is going to be a great year. 2021 we'll build house, we'll buy car. See, you buy house from Liz and Jory, you buy lands, you buy car from Mr. Lawal, you buy soyo, you buy everything that you want. Heaven will bless you. Believe me, 2021 is going to be a great year. But remember, do not hate anybody. And if you are my fan, please patronize me. Okay, if you are my AC, patronize me. If you are Arike's fan, patronize Arike. Patronize us. Patronize us. Enough of fighting. No more fight. No more. We need money. We need money. We need money. We need money. Please, guys. And I will do another show probably tomorrow or next tomorrow, inshallah. I love you guys. I love you. I love you. I love you. Know I love you. I love you guys. I love you. Thank you. Thank you.
Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, kindly comment and share. Thank you, Boya TV.